I am Dr. Shikha Haldar, Chairperson in the Department of Radiation Oncology, Sir Gangaram Hospital. This is the month, July is the Sarcoma Awareness Month, and we are going to make the public aware of what is sarcoma. It is a type of tumor which arises in the soft tissues of the body like muscles and smooth muscles like uterus and all. Radiation plays a very important role in treatment of these tumors in the multi-modality treatment, and it can be given in three forms: preoperatively, postoperatively, and as a palliative. The goal is to improve the local control after surgery or reduce the tumor size or give treatment when patient has symptoms like when the tumor cannot be controlled but patient has symptoms like pain and bleeding, then radiation can be given as preoperatively. So best outcome is with postoperative radiation therapy which is given after surgery is done. It can be given as an external beam radiation therapy after surgery has been completed and 4 weeks after surgery, or as a brachytherapy where we insert needles into the tumor bed during surgery and radiation is given after the surgery has been performed. And preoperatively we give in patients where the tumor is very large and the surgery is not possible, so we give radiation to shrink the tumor to make it operable. And as I said, palliation is always given to palliate the symptoms. The doses which is given as an external beam radiation is about 6 to 7 weeks, but when we are giving as a brachytherapy, it is treated in 4 to 5 days. Person whoever sees a lump or on the body like in arms or legs, they mostly occur in the limbs and sometimes in the chest wall or inside the abdomen, and abdomen is sometimes difficult to find out without imaging, but when you see a lump in the limbs which is slowly growing, one must see the doctors, and this is a very, very curable tumor when it is diagnosed early in the stage.